こんにちは Welcome to FURI FURI Kitchen. Today, Muu-Muu is going to make Shoyu Ramen. Ramen is one of Japan's national dishes, widely popular not only in Japan but also throughout the world. Especially in the winter season, there's nothing better than a good warm bowl of ramen. So this month, Muu-Muu and Sheena are planning to cook various types of Japanese ramen that are vegan friendly. I've developed these ramen recipes for you to easily make at home in no time. As simple, easy, authentic, and delicious as possible. If you are a ramen lover, check out this channel. There are so many kinds of ramen in Japan, but they can largely be divided into 4 categories based on their soup: shoyu ramen, miso ramen, shio ramen, and tonkotsu ramen. Shoyu ramen features a clear brown broth made with soy sauce as its base, often recognized as a standard flavor and the most common ramen in Japan. Miso ramen uses a broth made from miso paste that has a rich, bold flavor. Shio means salt. This ramen offers a clear, pale broth seasoned with salt. It has a delicate, savory flavor. Tonkotsu ramen uses a pork bone-based thick, cloudy broth, and it's rich and creamy. Today, Muu-Muu picked up shoyu ramen. You can make this delicious bowl of soy sauce flavored ramen very easily at home. It takes only less than 15 minutes. Okay, let's get started. First, prepare toppings. Toppings for ramen can vary widely and are often chosen based on personal preferences. Here are some examples. Choose a few toppings that you like and create a nice bowl of ramen for yourself. Muu-Muu chose bean sprouts, spinach, spring onion, cress, and nori seaweed for this shoyu ramen. Lightly stir-fry bean sprouts in a frying pan and simply season with salt and white pepper. I think it's best to season ramen toppings very simply, so as not to interfere with the flavor of the ramen soup. Blanch spinach in salted boiling water. Drain and squeeze out the water and then cut into bite-sized pieces. Finely slice spring onion. Cut nori seaweed into suitable sizes. And prepare some cress. Next, ramen soup. Mince half a spring onion, about 10 grams, and half a clove of garlic. Place 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a pan. Add the minced spring onions and garlic. Turn the heat to low and stir-fry until fragrant. Add 380 ml of water, 2 tablespoons of sake, 1 tablespoon of mirin. Turn the heat to medium and bring to a boil. Once it's boiled, turn the heat to low and add 1 cube of vegetable stock. If you use a small cube like OXO, use 2 cubes and dissolve. Simmer for about 2 minutes to allow the alcohol from sake and mirin to evaporate. Then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, preferably Japanese soy sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and a pinch of white pepper. the soup is done. Now, cook the ramen noodles. Traditional Japanese ramen noodles consist of wheat flour, salt, and kansui, a special alkaline mineral water that provides the noodles with their unique chewiness, flavor, and yellow color. So typically, this yellow color doesn't come from eggs. However, egg ramen noodles do exist. If you are vegan, better to check the ingredients. There are various styles of ramen noodles, thin, thick, straight, and wavy, available for selection. The choice of ramen noodle style depends on the broth, personal taste, and the availability of noodles in your area. Also, ramen noodles are sold in various forms, such as fresh, dried, or frozen, so get the one that suits your preferences and easily available for you. Muu-Muu prefers fresh noodles the most, but since they are not sold nearby, she chose convenient frozen noodles that she can stock up on. Cook 1 portion of ramen noodles following the package instructions. And drain well. If necessary, reheat the ramen soup and pour it in a ramen bowl. Add the cooked ramen noodles. And arrange the toppings on them. Serve immediately. できた! Muu-Muu, how does it taste? Okay, Muu-Muu said. A burst of savory flavors danced in her mouth with each slurp. The delicate balance of the soy sauce infused broth is very satisfying. It's a bowl of comfort and authenticity, delivering a delightful vegan twist to classic shoyu ramen. Thank you for watching FURI FURI Kitchen. ありがとう! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye bye! またね!